3D from the review homework says the limit of sine x cos 4x over x plus x cos 5x, and the limit as x goes to 0. So the key to this problem is to recognize that there is actually a sine x divided by x. So we're going to factor that out. So we end up with limit as x approaches 0 of sine x over x. So we're going to use our limit laws to factor that out. And what we're going to be left with then is we're going to be left with cos 4x in the numerator. And when we factor the x out of the denominator here, we're going to be left with 1. Okay, so that when I factor the x out of there, I'm left with 1. And I'm going to be left with plus cosine of 5x. Okay, so there we go. So we can evaluate the limit of sine x over x, that's equal to 1. When we evaluate the limit of this portion here, we're going to have times, well, the cosine of 4 times 0 is cosine of 0, that's 1, plus 1, plus cosine of 5 times 0, that's going to be cosine of 0, again that's going to be 1. So when I work this out, the limit ends up being equal to 1 times 1/2, or just 1/2. So when I graph this, I should see as it goes through 0, it's undefined at 0, but it's going through the point y equals 1/2.